Hello everyone. Today we will create shapes in Python. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. The next will be the turtle block. The next block will be the screen block. Now we add in the screen background color block. Set the background color to white. Add in the turtle speed block. Now we pick up the if and else blocks from the logic section. Now insert the logic block from the logic section. Add in the input block from the statements section in the logic block. Edit the text in the input block in logic block. Add in a for loop from the loops section inside the if block. Enter the number in the for loop. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section and place them in the for loop. We will add in 2 forward blocks in the for loop. Toggle the second forward block to left and edit the angle in it. Now we add in 1 forward block below the for loop inside the if block. Toggle it to left and edit the angle in it. Now we add in a print block inside the else block and edit the text. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. The desired design starts forming slowly. Similarly, you can use variables to create different designs, patterns, and shapes in Python.